Hello Mr. Raju, I am calling from XYZ Bank. Congratulations on your new credit card, sir.
Yes, thanks, I received it.
Raju recently got delivered a XYZ Bank credit card.
As per bank's policy, I am calling you to activate your new credit card through call. You need to confirm the details of your card, following which you will receive an activation code. Upon entering the code, your card will be activated.
Raju believed the fraudster as he already had his credit card details.
Okay, please activate my card.
Your name is Raju Deshpande. Your address is Lower Parel, Mumbai.
Raju believed the fraudster as he already had his credit card details.
That's correct.
Your card number starts with 45. Kindly confirm the number. Kindly confirm the expiry date and card verification value written behind the card.
Sure, it's 4500 1000 1000 1000. Yes, the expiry date is Jan 25 and 111 is the CVV number.
Thanks for the confirmation, sir. You must have received an SMS for the final activation. Kindly confirm the code received on your phone.
Yes, it's 123456.
Thanks for the confirmation. Your card is activated now, and you will receive an SMS regarding this within the next hour. Have a nice day.
Sometimes later Raju received an SMS from his bank about debit of rupees 1.2 lakhs on his credit card. Here, Raju was defrauded under the pretext of credit card activation.
Never share your card details and OTP to anyone. And don't trust unknown callers for your credit card activation. Credit cards can be activated from your mobile banking application. And don't share your card details OTP with anyone. Banks never ask for OTP. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.